This is a website worth $1 million, and here's one that's only worth $1. Now, in this video, I'm going to explain the difference. Today, I'm comparing 5 websites valued at $1, $1,000, $10,000, $100,000, and $1 million to answer one simple question. What makes a website and online business valuable? Over the past decade, I've helped buy and sell more than $120 million worth of businesses, and during this time, I helped build one of the most accurate business valuation tools and website valuation tools trusted by thousands with sales accuracy within 90%. So I know what separates a $1 million website versus a $1 website. Let's dig in. Now you're probably wondering what makes a $1 website and what actually goes into this. Now businesses and websites in general are going to be valued off of how much they profit, a very simple valuation formula. And if you want to see how much your website or business is worth, I'll leave a link below in the description where you can do that in 30 seconds. Now I found this website for just $1, and basically what I did is I went over to Namecheap, found some websites for 99 cents or below. This website is basically just a URL, meaning it doesn't have hosting, it doesn't have any sort of content behind it. It's essentially worthless or just worth what the domain is. Namecheap's great because you can find a bunch of domain names on there for just about $1. And so the difference between a $1 website and $1 million is going to be a vastly different. Typically, a $1 website is just not built yet. It doesn't have anything around it, and it has no traffic or any sort of website visitors. Moving on to the next level, a $1,000 website, meaning this probably is just a website that's built. It's probably not getting any traffic. It's not getting any website visitors or anything like that. It's already built. It has hosting. It has some home pages, about us pages, contact pages. And again, you can find some really nice looking websites that are mobile optimized, can actually do this. And if you want to get your website built for under $1,000, just click the link below, and it's only about $47 to get started, and join the Earn From Anywhere Academy where we can actually build this for you. Moving on to the $10,000 website in business. Now, a $10,000 website is likely making some profit. Usually what you're doing is you have a 28 to 30x multiple, meaning that a business valued at around $10,000 is likely making anywhere from $100 to $200 per month. Now we're talking about $10,000 websites. These websites or businesses are likely generating some profit, not just revenue, but actual profit. Typically, a website is going to be valued at 20 to 30 times the monthly net profit over the trailing 12 months. So if you have a business at this level, it's likely making anywhere from $300 to $400 a month in profit, and it's been doing that consistently for the past 12 months. So this business has some brand, it has some repeat buyers, and it has some way that they're getting traffic and they're fulfilling what they're set out to do. It's valuable because it's already working. It's fragile because it's built on thin ice, and it doesn't have that big amount of profit yet. Next up, we have a website valued at $100,000. Now, I found this website on Flippa, and it's valued at $100,000 because, again, it's making around $3,000 per month in profit. Now, this business is based off of a very conservative valuation, which is around 20 to 30x monthly net profit. Now, the great thing about this business is it's fairly consistent. It has enough profit margin where it's actually bringing in enough money each month, and it's been doing it fairly consistently. Now, this business looks pretty solid. I like the layout and sort of the process that they have and the niche and everything. And so you can actually acquire this business for just around $100,000. Now for the $1 million business, this is a business that I actually just sold to somebody, so I know exactly behind the books. I can't reveal too many details, but this business was making over $30,000 a month in profit. The reason that this is valuable and it's worth over $1 million is because it's been doing it consistently for a number of years and had year-over-year growth. It had a lot of value to the business, meaning it came with previous customers, some customers who were repeat customers, meaning they were buying every single month. And so the difference between this $1 million business and a business that's making around the same, if you have $30,000 a month of recurring revenue, that business might be valued at double, $2 or $3 million. But this business didn't have a consistent MRR. It just had a portion of customers who were repeat. So that's why it was valued on the lower end at around 30x, or that 30 times monthly net value or monthly net profit. So it was making around $35,000 per month to give it that $1 million valuation, and it was just sold north of $1 million. If you want to see how much your website or business is actually valued at, click the link below in the description, fill out the details in about 30 seconds, and you'll have an accurate valuation for you.